So basically today I'm getting rid of my disgusting rims. I got the SVE Series 3 rims from late model.
Let's look at the ones you had before. Oh, what's up the stock ones? They're right. Oh my god. Right. They're not as bad as when they were blue. Oh.
I know, I had the plastic.
They're still pretty bad.
So I got the Mickey Thompson Street Comps 305s, and then the Series 3 rims. They're 10.5 inches wide, and the front ones are 8.5. The backs are deep dishes.
Hey, why is there only 3? Huh?
Well, basically a shop, they were trying to put the tire on, and I guess their machine wasn't strong enough, and it popped the tire out and it destroyed my rims. So they said they're gonna fix it for free until we just have to pick it up right now. Thanks.
All right. This is why you don't take your
take your wheels to Mavis Tire, because they will think that they can do something, but they can't.
Brand new wheels. Wait, show the worst parts. Brand new wheels.
Those are all. They fixed one on the inside though.
Yeah.
They're like roach stuff. Oh my god. But it's all good. We got it back.
Wow.
All right.
Letting me whip it to the garage. Fuck. Oh, what's up? Alright, we're at the shop. Last we're gonna see of these wheels on this car.
Oh my god! Yo, it actually looks pretty good, Nick. Oh my god, Nick. It actually looks fucking nice. The wheels are too fucking big in the back. The tires. I should have gotten smaller tires. Look at how much they are. Oh my god, look at how fat they are in the back. It's too fucking fat, bro. God, they're too fucking fat. Yeah, I have to go in.
Yeah, you have a minute, so hurry up.
This one yours too?
Nah.